right now. But hell of a lot something another in Arizona. D-Rail said, I'm trying to listen to the 28 for this rough stuff. Fine south, 288. The 288 D-Rail said, I appreciate you sticking with me and allowing me to 28 straight. Hello out there, 88 or 288 in Arizona. D-Rail in Georgia, back to you. Yeah, you're right about that, 288. It's been a month of Sundays, sure enough. Happy Memorial Day to you there, 288. And happy day coming up. 288, maybe Mother Nature bring us on in some more of that east and west stuff before too long. 288, derail right back.